In this experiment, we will estimate the thermal conductivity of glass. First, put a plastic container in a polystyrene insulation box. Put a stirrer into the container and pour hot water of about 70 degrees Celsius to an almost overflowing level. Gently place a sheet of glass on top of the water. Then cover the box with a polystyrene lid. Now, place a temperature sensor into the pre-punched hole on the lid. Gently rotate the stirrer for 5 seconds every minute to make the temperature distribution in the water uniform. Repeat the step for about 5 minutes until the glass heats up. Run the data logging program to capture the temperature readings every second. Take the reading for 30 minutes to obtain a temperature time graph. Pour the water in the box into a measuring cylinder to find out the volume, thus the mass of the water. From the data obtained, calculate the rate of energy loss for the water in the container by using this formula. As energy is lost through the sheet of glass mainly by conduction, we can equate the rate of energy loss to the rate of thermal conduction and determine the thermal conductivity, kappa.